Okay, so welcome to the 7 days of rest, reweaving wholeness 2024. So Winter and I have come together to collaborate and offer you a means to listen to the animal kingdom over the first 7 days of this new year. And these are short but mighty sessions, I think is how we might describe them. We have no idea really who is going to come forward. This is completely in the moment. There may be the odd animal that comes to us before we gather together. But generally, most of what you're going to be listening to is the animals that are choosing to come forward in this moment with us together. So your energy as part of this unity field is very much part of what's connecting with the animal kingdom as well. So you have a mighty presence here. Your energy is calling in those as well who wish to speak and share with you. And shall I begin, Winter, with lighting our candle?
Yes, please. Hey, that would be wonderful.
And then introductions after, or introductions first? Yeah, okay.
After, I think.
All right. So, everyone, I have this candle here in a lotus flower, which I'm going to light to open the ceremony together. If you have your own candle, do feel free to light it too. Okay. And may I invite you to close your eyes and have your feet on the floor. And to breathe in and breathe out. Keep your focus on your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. And with every breath, bringing yourself to this present moment. And now take your awareness to your heart and see the flame inside your heart growing brighter and stronger. And the light from your heart is beaming out of the front of your body, the back of your body, and the sides, gaining power, brighter and brighter. And this flame, this light is your love, reaching out to all of the animal kingdom. And invite them now, anyone who wishes to come forward to join us in our circle for this special gathering. And as they choose to come and join us, take your awareness down to the soles of your feet and your connection with Mother Earth beneath. And visualize reaching down from the soles of your feet down through the many layers into the core of her golden center. And breathing in breathing out. And breathe the energy from the center of Mother Earth up into the soles of your feet, up your legs, your spine and torso, and out through the top of your head, up into the sky. Anchoring you above and below, and in your heart center, open and present. Together. Breathing in and breathing out. And gently opening your eyes. Winter, over to you.
Thank you, P. And I have two people coming, and it's almost like they want to speak together. The one is Swali, an elephant that I know very well, and Hyena. And Swali is, I see him swaying on this ancient Mother Earth. I am swaying, I am waiting, I am patient, very patient. Just be with the flow, with the rhythms of the earth under your feet. Have no expectations as we walk this journey together. Thank you. We are waiting with our hearts open for the humans to start following us. Hyena, I reveal all. I bring into the light all the darkness that is hidden underground. It will be cleared, it'll be safe to move with us, come with us, run with us, laugh with us. Let us celebrate in joy, in love, in peace. Thank you.
Okay, well, I'm going to start with Texas, a cat here, who's in spirit. If I did ask him today, have you got anything you'd like to share? So these are his thoughts on Ancient Mother. Our Ancient Mother wants you to know she cares. She loves all her children of every aspect. She brings you life, food, nourishment, a safe place to lay your head. She will always remain your mother, even when you've gone, because she is eternal. Don't mistake your mother for a doormat. She is wise, old, and clever. She evolves and revolves. She knows what she needs to do to survive. Do you? Will you evolve? Will you revolve? Change your ways from one to unity? Will you explore other ways of being? Ask your ancient mother for help, for guidance, for you. That's Texas. And I also have rat. Yeah. Oh, people. People. You're not looking, dashing around. Just stop and look. Look. What do you see? The truth. The truth. Don't lie to yourself. Stop lying to yourself. It's not okay. It's not okay the way you're walking on her. We see everything. We're everywhere. We know what's going on. And you do really. You do know. What can we say to you to stop you in your tracks so that you will open your eyes and see? Do we need to nibble your ankles, surround you with great numbers? What will it take for you to stop and see? To truly see.
Mawe, Mawe. We are your mother, ancient. We walk these earth, these lands, this earth. Some call us dragons, but we are present here in physical form, watching, waiting. What are you waiting for? Be gentle. Be quiet as you go about your days. But come forward. Come forward for your mother. Your mother protects you. She loves you. But do not be complacent in this love and protection. She also needs you to acknowledge her values, her strength, and to speak out for her to those who have shut down. There is hope. There is life. We, the ancient ones, have been here for eons, and we will still be. But on this short time that you are on this earth, do and be strong, powerful. Speak out, speak your truth, but be gentle and kind and compassionate and loving, just as your mother is. We love you. You know me as a monitor lizard in this current form. Thank you. We love you. Mawe.
You're invited to stretch out your wings, each and every one here on this call. And to join this group of geese flying in the sky. Flying with them high above the earth, looking down at your ancient mother, moving effortlessly in the sky. Our advice to you on this day is to make your life easier so you can fly high with the flow and ease you feel now. Simplify, simplify. Feel that flying with strong wings, with other geese, high above the earth. Remember this feeling of ease and flow. We offer you perspective of your home, Mother Earth, and your life. On this day of beginnings, you can choose how to live as you fly forwards. Remember this feeling in your body, in your wings. Bring this into your life for you and your mother. Goodbye, farewell, and release your arms.
Thank you, P. And thank you, everyone. I haven't got anyone else waiting in the wings. I think we we have gone a little bit over time. Do you have P?
No, I haven't. I knew that Goose was going to be the last one.
Mm.
I could feel it. So thank you so much, everyone, for being present, bringing your energy here, and listening with your hearts and your ears to these animals.
Thank you. And we'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place, for our second day of rest for 2024.
Thank you so much, everybody. Much love to you all.
Much love. Thank you. Mwah.